Delta Hotel Juliet, lining up 25. Actually didn't prepare for 25, I think it's the second time I'm actually flying out from 25. So, it's a left hand, but the departure is over Loosdrecht as always, right?
Yeah, first crosswind and then...
oh, it's like that, oh yeah, I remember now.
Yeah.
Okay. Right runway, the wind is, I can't see the wind sock, landing light all that on. Ready to go?
Yes. Yeah. Oh.
Takeoff power is set. No braking, right rudder.
Bit more center line.
Bit more center line.
Bit more to the right.
Airspeed is alive. All engine instruments are in the green.
Bit more to the right.
Birds. 50 knots. Oh shit!
Bird strike!
That's nice. So we're coming back. 60 knots.
I think it only hit...
Juliet Delta lining up 35.
I think it only hit the window, right?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Turning left.
Oh, that's nice. Your first bird strike. Mine as well.
Flaps 0. 65. No vibrations, looking good. More right rudder. Flaps are 10. And shall we?
Yeah, we can continue. We only hit the window.
Yeah.
And we're not flying that fast yet.
Delta Hotel Juliet leaving the circuit.
Dat wil even zeggen. De Delta Echo Mike Hotel Juliet, Hilversum.
Delta Hotel Juliet, Hilversum, go.
Ter info, het kan zijn dat er een dode duif op de baan ligt, want we hebben net, hij heeft ons raam geraakt. Maar verder weinig schade, zo te zien.
Oké, copy.
You see a lot of blood.
Yes.